Ta-da! Back at my parents again. It looks really dark over there.
Please don't. Please. Oh, bitch.
Oh, that's okay. You're just a person in the shadows.
Okay.
Hello, person in the shadows.
I'm a shadowy person.
Oh no! I'm sorry to hear that.
Just wait. Wait till you see my baking. I wish I were in the shadows.
Mom's a shadowy person, and we're gonna find the measure of the dad here with the measuring cups. Wow. How old is that? Is that even? Yeah, that's your writing, isn't it, Dad? Mm-hmm. There. If y'all can translate that. What's in the mix? You guys, I promise, his fingers are clean. He's just measuring it and goes. Blah, blah,
That's a
blah.
pinch, don't you know?
I don't think so, Dad.
A handful? That's too soon.
How many did you get?
Not enough.
Good to the last drop.
The thing is,
We still don't know what it was.
I need 6 cups and I have just over 5.
Well, should we do half and do 3 cups?
No.
Welcome to the Ross Family Baking Hour.
So this mix is your oatmeal cookie mix.
Okay, this is Dad's basic oatmeal cookie mix.
8 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 6 cups of firmly packed brown sugar, 3 cups of shortening, and 8 cups of quick cooking rolled oats.
And how long does that last in your bucket, dear Liza?
Years.
You don't want to know.
Years.
Okay. 1 banana. Looks like a giant smile in there. Mm-hmm. Take 2 and call you in the morning.
Yeah.
Now it looks like a. See, I need eyes. Like it looks like a. Oh. Okay, here we go. You know what I normally would do is cut them up.
Yeah.
I'll just do it with the fork.
They're probably so soft it won't matter.
Well, you know what? These ones are actually pretty decent
Yeah.
because they look worse on their outsides than they are on their insides. And again, it's because
They were with the other
they
one.
were with the other one. So these are actually fairly firm bananas. They just smell like they're not.
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
2 teaspoons of vanilla into the 6 cups of mix, which we didn't have enough of, but you added.
I added
Oatmeal.
to stretch it.
We added oatmeal to stretch it because oatmeal stretches so much smushing.
But I think there's 2 over here.
Oh, I'll bring it over here. Everything goes better with tea, don't you know? I do believe that is my motto. What's the motto? Nothing the motto. Oh, what's the motto? Tee-hee! There is my tee-hee. Okay, so there are 2 well-mushed bananas, Dad.
What do you think? Can you do
Put
another?
them in the cup and see how much you got.
Okay, it's not a full cup yet.
Well, you better add another 2
It looks like you could add at least 1 more to make a
Do
full
2
cup.
more bananas.
Okay, we'll put in the other 2 bananas. So 4 decent-sized, smushed up bananas. That's the ripe one. You can tell the difference. Look at the color difference, right?
Sure.
So this is the one that I would not be able to eat normally.
Yeah.
Like in this, I'm fine. This I can eat. This will make me very, very ill. I won't eat that. Shannon, don't eat that. Shannon won't eat that. Not eating that. Ah, okay. That's 2 well-beaten eggs. She quotes, and that's a quote. Okay, so what happens if this cup overflows as I pour the bananas into
Don't
it
worry
then?
about it, just carry on.
But the cup's sitting on the table.
Oh, well, hold it over the bowl.
I can't dump the bananas in. Okay, let me see how close I can get.
Dump the bananas in and dump the rest of the bananas. Put all the bananas in.
Put all the bananas in there. Okay.
Put all your bananas in one basket.
Yeah, oh,
Half a cup of milk.
half a cup of milk, 2 well-beaten eggs, half a cup of milk, and 4 well-beaten bananas. Well, this is 2. Now we just go. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And we're going to... So what else, is this all we need in here?
That's it.
That's it, because that cookie mix has everything already in it. It's neat, because it's like, yeah, it's quick cookie mix. Ooh, banana raisin. Not in banana raisin?
Fresh raisin.
Oh, okay. Well, we didn't have any fresh bananas either. Okay.
So that particular bulk thing, you store in a plastic container for...
Yeah. Eons.
I've stored it for 5 or 6 years at a time in a sealed plastic container. But then you mix 6 cups of mix, 2 eggs, well beaten, half a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then you can add raisins, or a cup of peanut butter, a cup of raisins, in this case a cup plus of bananas, and you stir it all together and you drop it on a lightly greased cookie sheet, in our case on a parchment sheet.
Oh, see, on parchment paper over there that's going, what did you say Mom? It's doing? It's going poof.
Yes.
And
It's going, our puffy paper.
$3.50 for 15 minutes. And that's it.
$3.50 for 15 minutes. That's not bad.
Now the next part is the hard part.
The stirring part. Oh, yeah.
So, since you want these, you get
I get to stir them. Okay, I can do that. So $3.50 for 15 minutes, I believe the answer. Yes? Okay, I will come over and stir. With my wounded arm. What a mean father. Hello.
You say they were 100-year-old eggs? How old are those?
How old are those?
What's the mix?
It's the mix that's 100 years old.
Now the other thing is when you make the main mix,
Yeah.
that takes a bowl of that size and it's almost too small.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'm thinking, my goodness, that's an incredible amount of stuff for a main
Yes.
mix.
And it makes, that will make probably 4 dozen cookies.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so 4 dozen banana cookies. But the
And
main mix,
makes, 1, 2, 3, I think this is out of the 4th or 5th batch out of it.
oh, 4 dozen cookies. So
Yeah.
the main mix will make,
Couple hundred cookies.
oh, well, that's
Give
nothing.
or take.
Did you get it from a baker, that recipe?
4 times
That
4
recipe,
is
no, that recipe came from Marion.
16.
Whose father was a baker.
Oh, her father was a baker.
So it was a baker's recipe in the
Yes,
beginning.
she
then,
had
yeah.
6 boys.
So this will give you between 16 to 20 dozen. Like if you use the big main mix, it would make between 16 to 20 dozen.
Yeah.
Wow.
Really good if you use mincemeat more.
Oh, mincemeat would be amazing in
At
this.
Christmas.
Yes. You need a very large, sealable plastic container. Airtight.
Airtight one.
Airtight. Watertight. Mouse tight. Have you ever seen mice in tights? Tight mice.
Pink mites and tights.
I think it's the fumes from the bananas.
Got it all mixed
It's
up.
ethyl alcohol.
Yeah.
It's ethyl.
Ethel, what do you get out of there, Ethel?
Got it all mixed in?
Yeah, I think it's
No
all.
dry spots anywhere?
No.
You got some dry up the side there.
Oh, my goodness. Sorry, I left 2 oats behind. My
Good
apologies.
to the last oat.
Get to the last oat. It's the last oat that'll kill you.
Okay.
Here we are at the drop-off.
These are really yours.
Do you think they might take a little longer to bake because of... Well, that's what Dad's saying, is that they're really moist cookies. I still think banana raisin would have been good. Maybe we could put raisins in the other half. Oh, you said the raisins were older than the mix, though. Well, they would solidify the mix.
Well, I can solidify the mix with more oatmeal, but we're not going there either.
Yeah. Well, you don't want to solidify it too much. Like, you don't want to keep playing around. Though James and I think I told you we met the really nice family at Tim Hortons, and the young girl, like her mom was saying, she's an awesome baker and an awesome cook, but she doesn't follow any recipes. And she said, yeah, I just like to do what I like to do, and
You mess about.
yeah, I just like to mess about, and I hate following rules.
Okay.
But so now you know, for those who don't like to follow the rules,
Yeah.
this is who they can become, right? Awesome bakers, awesome cooks. So it looks like that's going to make 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, almost 2 dozen on the first sheet. So if we put them in, say, 1 sheet at a time,
That's what we do.
then by the time we got the next sheet ready,
These should be done.
those should be pretty well.
How long did you say? 15 minutes?
15 minutes, yeah, give or take. Well, sometimes you gotta, I was gonna say use your eyeballs, but that'll burn. Okay.
It's ready.
Into the oven they go. Clink. What do you see? Cookies that are not ready, or?
What do you see? What do you see?
They're getting bigger.
Oh,
Yay.
Where are you going to put them? Let me
Right there.
put them.
Right here?
Right where
Right.
that bowl is.
People splat on the table. How cleanly is that going to look?
I think it'll be very suitable for 100-year-old eggs and eon-year-old mix, and I don't know.
I wiped it off not long ago, but I'll wipe it again just because.
Okay. We don't have anything else to put them on?
That's what I do. Just put them on there and I can wipe them off.
There should be
That's
something.
true. That's true. Well, we will clean the table. We'll even prove it. Here we go. The cleaning of the table. See? One newly washed table for the eon old cookies.
If they taste as old as they
Oh Lord, please no.
You don't want that. They smell good.
So here are the ones to go in. And the other one, oh, they do smell good. Oh, they're kind of rising. You can't see it through here, but they're in there.
Trust me.
Ooh.
I'm going to give them a little bit longer.
So that's been 15 minutes, and they're not quite done.
Because they are so moist.
So moist,
So what will I do? Just put it off.
so banana-ramery. I missed the great reveal.
Oh no.
Oh.
Where did it go?
There goes the next batch. There is this batch.
What I put it in for? 10 minutes? Is that what I said?
15.
Okay.
It was 15 minutes, so these were actually in for 20 minutes. Now we need to dispatch with the batch.
Take them over here. Set them on there.
Here we go. Mmm. Dang, they smell good. They look good, they smell good. We'll have to find out. I'm pretty certain they'll taste good, despite the fact they're eons old. Oh, look, there's Mom supervising. And she sat up straight. I'm supervising. Oh. There's something reflecting. Pardon?
It doesn't pay very much.
Uh-huh. Oh, you can actually see the bits of banana right in them. Oh.
And look, there's a monkey.
Get that monkey out of my cookie. Yeah, see, and they come out, they just kind of rise up to where they are, and they come out the shape that they got put in. So you leave room in between, but it's not like, well, it's not like they spread out. Like some cookies, they spread out like crazy,
Yeah.
and these don't.
When,
That's what I love about things like
when you
that.
make them sometimes without anything in them,
Yeah.
just the plain, you can make a little indentation with your finger in the center and put jam in.
Oh,
So
hey.
you get a round cookie with jam on the center.
Or cherry.
Yeah,
Or
true.
put a cherry in.
Well, and that's like, what?
That's Christmas.
That's Christmas. Well, they call those like thumbprint
There you go.
cookies, like you make your
Are
thumbprint
you
in.
ready to put on the next batch?
Okay.
There you go.
Because we still have, well, there's 20 and there's 40 in there now. And then we still have
A few.
a few. We'll see what it makes. Dad, why are you playing with the cookies?
I'm wrestling with them, drying it. So go ahead, taste one.
Go ahead, taste one. Who dare you? Okay, Mother. if you would be...
I get to try that if you don't cook.
No. Well, you can taste it or you can record me tasting it.
I'll record you tasting.
Gee. Thanks. Okay, there we go. Are you ready?
Go for it.
Where's the one with the banana? There's the one that's got banana right on the edge.
Yeah, try that one.
Because that looks like so good. Woo! What do you got hot to the buns? Yes, it's got banana right on the edge. Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Is it delicious?
I'm so not sharing these with anybody.
Well, not that one anyway.
No, not this one. They're good.
Are they?
They're really, really
Okay,
good.
I will put-
And if you can see, like, it still has the pieces of banana in it.
Yes.
Oh, they're good. They're nice and white. They're just firm enough on the top and nice and moist on the inside. They don't go crushed. They're just
Good. I will put them in a tin for you.
Okay. Or I will happily take them in a tin.
I got the next batch.
All 45 of them. Oh, darn.
You don't have time to wait for 45. There you go. Go to the cookies.
Yay!
For about an hour's work.
Well, I was going to say that all took really less than an hour.
That was good.
So our 1,000-year-old cookies are a success.
Yay!
Yay!